Hello and welcome to Alpha Learn. In this video, we are diving into the fascinating world of computing languages. So, what exactly is computing language and why it is so important in the world of technology? Let's break it down. See, this is let's take it as a user, and this is a computer. See, it processes everything in binary language. A user cannot approach to computer using a binary language because no one can ever speak in binary language, so we use a thing called computing languages. These computing languages acts like a bridge between user and the system. A computing language is a formal way of communicating with the computer. It allows us to give instructions, solve problems, and create software that makes our life easier. Think of it as a bridge between humans and machines. Just like we use languages like English or Spanish to communicate with each other, computing language helps us to talk to computers in a way that they can understand. So, the two main components of computing languages is one, a syntax, and the other is semantics. And there are types of computing languages. One is low level language. Low level languages, these are let's take example of machine language. This is the native language of computer. You can just simply say it's a native language of computer, and which is not understandable for normal human beings. So we use these computing languages to communicate with computer. And there are some high level languages. First example, let's take Python. Python is a high level language, and Java is also high level language, and C++ and many more. And the third type is scripting languages. Example, JavaScript and Ruby. And the fourth type is markup languages. Example, HTML and XML. The fifth is domain specific languages. DSLs. So example is SQL, mainly used for databases. And the second is R, used for statistical analysis. And data visualization. Like, you might wonder, why do we need so many computing languages? Like, why do we need these many languages? Why can't we just use Python or C or C++ or Java? Only why don't we use only single language? So the answer lies in the specialization. Each language is designed with specific strengths. Some are fast, some are some are so powerful for used for system level programming, and some are user friendly for building websites or analyzing data, and some are lightweight, perfect for quick scripts or task automation. To sum up, Computing languages are essential tools that allow us to interact with computers and create the amazing technology we use every day. See, let's take now we're gonna discuss about Python. So, if you are talking about Python, I would say it is easy to learn and user friendly. And like if someone is new for these coding languages and all, they can start coding from they can start coding by this Python language. It is an interpreted language. What do you mean by interpreted language? Interpreted language means it codes line by line. It executes each line one firstly and then it moves to the other line. It is dynamically typed. Like you don't need to declare any variable first. In C and C++ and all Java and all, we need to specify the data type of the variable which we are going to use, like int or float or double, long double, etc. But in Python, we don't need to use any. We don't need to specify any the data type initially. We can just process like x equal to 10. From this, system understands that x is int type variable. And suppose for example we gives a string of hello world. The system will understand it is a string. So like these are the basic characteristics of the computing languages, and I told you about the why about the characteristics of Python, right? So in the next video we're gonna start Python, and I would recommend everyone to follow each video because I'm gonna give some challenges to do which are helpful for you to improve your knowledge regarding Python. Practice is the key. Please remember this thing.